出身寒微不是耻辱，能屈能伸方为丈夫。
Hello everyone, welcome to the Earth Store Adventure Truck. Here I'll share with you the vehicle that you may not have seen before. Our adventure truck is built to be just right. Look at here. The length of 5.8 meters. It offers ample living space and ensuring daily road agility and the ability to tackle most off-road conditions. Its width of 2 meters is comparable to common SUVs, so you don't have to worry about the road width restrictions. And the height of 2.1 meters means it can easily pass under many height-restricted areas. Structurally, this contributes to a lower center of gravity, which further optimized through design, combined with lightweight body of just 2.6 tons. This significantly enhances stability driving and cornering support. Compared to the original pickup truck, but a multifunctional living module adds only a little over 200 kilograms, preserving the vehicle dynamic performance to the greatest extent. It is lower and lighter than most RVs, yet more versatile than any pickups. From its appearance, we can already say it's off-road DNA. We have a variety of off-road chassis modes, including the Ford Ranger, Ford Raptor, Isuzu D-Max, and Nissan Frontier, and Toyota LC78. And in front of us is LC79. While these chassis differ, the living module at the back are quite similar. Let me take LC79 and the Frontier as examples. One with a living module folded, the driving mode, and the other with living module expanded is camping mode. Both configurations are shown here. If you like it, just follow and DM me.